to Kicks on the Street. Here are some shirts on behalf of Dope Canal. Boom. Boom. The box is fire, y'all. The box is fire. The box is fire. I'm excited. You know what I'm saying? My first little promo. Yeah. Come on, y'all. My first. Come on, y'all. www.dopecanal.com. Make sure you hit my man up. Come on, y'all. I'm in front of his spot right now. I couldn't even leave. I had to go ahead and just show y'all. Yo, this is heat. Yo. This is heat. Yo, I got two shirts. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. I'm sorry. I got to. Keith. This is named Milton. Boom. Then he got the back. Oh, look at the back. The back is bottles. Yo, hey, y'all. Inside the box. Check out the inside. This inside the box. Check my man is not playing. I'm endorsing this. I got his back. I'm talking about like love it like sponge cake. I'm going to show you more. I'm going to come back, do an interview. Yo, first endorsement, Dope Canal, Urban Wear. It's lit. It's lit. It's lit. Like I can't. I'm just showing you the inside the box again. Inside the boxes. Wow. That's his brother online. This is dope. I can't front. All right, cut.